horizon. You're looking at the blue sky and the green grass. And she starts at very high rate of roll over 400 degrees per second. When it becomes a blur, it is...
During the chart sees purple and green, will he be able to unleash?
Call the slide winder, gaining altitude and sliding the airplane sideways. Pilot skills, then bringing it around with full right rudder. Laying it on the side of the fuselage in that is pure skill of the pilot and power to weight ratio. The machetes of the sky. Now, shuts off the smoke, hangs by the prop, shifts into reverse, rolls the airplane back, continues to roll backwards. The Charlie Hillard torque roll, perfected by Charlie Hillard and duplicated by great pilots like Gary Ward. Ladies and gentlemen, what do you think about Gary Ward so far? Oh, this guy's got it wound up, but you haven't seen anything yet. Now bringing it back in. Pointing up into that blue spot in the sky. Watch the nose and the tail. Tumbling end over end in the maneuver called the Lomacilla. Czechoslovakian street slang for the equivalent of drinking too much. Rum brandy. Here we come.
By your applause, do you think our driver, Jerry McCart, is going to win this race? My spectators have spoken, and within seconds, this race will be history. So here comes Gary Ward. Gary in the air, Jerry on the ground. 400 horsepower in the air, 12,000 horsepower on the ground. Remember, Gary on the ground has to see Gary in the air. 400 horsepower. Gary McCart in the car has 6,000. He will never throw.
Because at that time, American Love probably was